In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading 2-12 charts. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the chart, switching views, and reading the basics of price action for smarter analysis. Start by opening a chart from the home menu. Look at the watch list on the left sidebar and switch to the advanced view for a more comprehensive layout. Use the search to find the instrument you want, whether it's a stock, ETF, crypto, or a CFD. Then open its details and tap the chart area. You'll see a live price chart. Think of this as your base chart for tracking price movement, which is the core of technical analysis. Next, adjust the time frame to change how much data each bar or candle represents. Use the controls at the top of the chart to pick 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 15 minutes for short-term moves, 1 hour or 4 hours for midterm, and daily, weekly, or monthly for long-term trends. Shifting across time frames helps you spot the bigger picture while still catching the fine detail. Choose your preferred chart type to shape the way you read price. Candlesticks display open, high, low, and close in a visual way that's great for spotting reversals and trend strength. A line chart is the simplest view of closing prices over time. Bar charts are similar to candlesticks, but with a different look. If you're new, candlesticks are a solid place to start. Now, add technical indicators to deepen your analysis. Tap Indicators above the chart and select tools like RSI for momentum, moving averages for trend direction, and MACD for momentum shifts. After adding an indicator, tap it on the chart to edit settings such as period or color to suit your style. Keep your workspace clean. Use a few indicators with a purpose so signals are easier to read. These tools help highlight overbought or oversold areas, reveal trend direction, and flag potential momentum changes. As you watch price action, read the candlesticks themselves. A long green candle often signals buying strength, while a long red candle points to selling pressure. Patterns that develop over several candles can hint at a reversal or a continuation of the current trend. Always consider context and confirm with your time frame and indicators. If you trade CFDs, you can toggle between the buy price chart for short positions and the sell price chart for long positions. This matters because entry and exit prices differ in CFDs, so make sure your chart matches your trade direction. On desktop, you'll get a larger, more detailed layout and can view multiple charts at once. On mobile, the charts are powerful too. Turn your device to landscape for the clearest view.